This is the second part of learning JavaScript today. We will talk about the statements. What is called a statement? Okay. A statement is a code that declares a variable or instruct the JavaScript engine to do something. That is simple statement. So this is all example of one statement. We'll say let something is equals to welcome to JavaScript. Okay. So when you say this thing, actually you are declaring something. That is also a statement. When you say console.log and then printing something, that is also one instruction. That is also statement. Okay. So let's do this practice. It's very simple. In the same program, what we will do, we'll say let my name is equals to Nitesh, semicolon. Semicolon is end of the statement. Semicolon means you want to say it's end of the statement. Okay. So why we are using let? So there are different ways to declare the variables in programming language. Okay. So what happens in the background when you do this thing? Let's understand that part. So when you say let my name is equals to Nitish, that means this is some kind of data. This is some kind of data which will be stored here. It's same as in mathematics. What we say, let x is equals to 23, let y is equals to 20, and we can say let z is equals to x plus y, right? This is mathematical thing we do. In the same way, in any programming language, right, there are different ways to declare the variable. So what is let here? Let is, it is used to declare a variable. Okay. What is then my name here? My name is variable. Exactly. What is variable? It's the name of the variable or identifier, right? We can say identifier also. What is equal to sign here? Equal to sign is assignment operator. What it does? What equal to assignment operator does is it assigns the right hand side value to left side. Okay, it's very simple. It's assign the right hand side value to the left side variable. It's very simple what equal to sign does. Okay. It's important. You may be thinking why I'm talking about this very simple thing, but that is important actually. And what is Nitesh here? What is Nitesh? So Nitesh is actually value here as of now, or we say literal, or as of now, it's constant also, right? The value is fixed one, right? So if I'll depict it in a picture, what happens when you say let my name is equals to Nitesh, what happens in the background? When you say this, what it does is it creates a box or memory location, right? And the box name is my name. Or you can put any variable name, right? It's just like we defined it as a programmer. And inside that, there will be a value Nitesh. It's like this. Okay. That's it. So my name will refer to Nitesh. It's like this, right? It's like this. Whenever you will print my name, it will print Nitesh. So here in the next line, if I'll say console.log in the bracket, if I say my name, basically it will print Nitesh. See here, I'm running that program again. See here, it's saying Nitesh, right? Saying me. Simple. Can I redeclare it? Can I say again, let So let's do some wrong thing here. Let my name is equals to John. Is it possible? No, it's showing me error. If you hover over it, it will say cannot redeclare block scoped variable my name. So it's saying me that you cannot redeclare it. So, but can I do this thing? I'll delete this. Now everything is fine. Earlier, the variable's value of my name was Nitesh. Now it is John. So what it will print? Will it print me Nitesh or it will print John? It's printing me John. Why? Because the latest value is John or the current value is John. So in this example, what we did, earlier it is let my name is equals to Nitesh. Now, what we are doing is we are, after some time, we are changing it. Okay. And we are saying now my name is equals to John. So what it will do, it will overwrite it. So it will flush out this, and instead of that, it will put here now John. That's it. That is gone. This my name variable with Nitesh value is gone. Now my name will refer to John string. Okay, so why I'm saying it is string? String is alphanumeric values, right? So you can have anything in the double quote. You can say 456, okay, and underscore, right? It's possible. So John 456, that is also fine. Let me clear and I'll run it again. Yes, it is showing me this. So let is one of the way to declare variables that we learned today. Okay. You can have another kind of method, numerical values also. You can say let W is equals to 34. Let R is equals to 16. And you can say let P is equals to R minus W. And then you can say console.log in the bracket. You can say you want to print P, let's say. Okay. Save it, run it again. So if you want to flush out this screen, say clear in the terminal, enter. And I want to run this program again. So I can use up arrow to see my previous commands, right? So node / my program name .js I'm executing. See here, it is printing me 26, which is R minus W. 60 minus 34 is 26. So it's printing me. Okay. But can I print message as well? So I don't want just 26. I want to say subtraction answer is something like that. So what I can do, I can put single quote and say subtraction answer is equal to plus sign. Plus sign means what we want to achieve here is we want to print this part as it is, as a string. But after that, I want a value. So if you want to concatenate two things, one is a string, one is value, then you have to put plus sign. Okay. Save it. To save, the shortcut is Control S. Control S in Windows. Otherwise, here you can say save. In the file, go and say save. That is also fine. If I want to run this program again, I will simply execute this. And this is now showing me. See here, subtraction answer is 26. Subtraction answer is 26. Okay, fine, done. Everyone able to do that thing? I'm not going into if and all. So these are like, they are just theoretical parts. See, it's saying statement will be like this. What is block? Block means there will be some block of code inside curly bracket. That will be called block of statements. Identifier, I talked about it. Read it. Theoretical thing. Comments. How to make a comment? So double slash will be comments. So in my program, let's say, let's create a new program. I'm creating it 02 comments demo.js. You can give any name. I'm giving comments demo.js. So let's say I'm writing a program to let p is equals to 1000, let r is equals to 5, let t is equals to 6, let simple interest is equals to p cross r cross t divided by 100. This is the formula for the simple interest in mathematics. Basically, I'm putting it as it is, and I'll print it. So I'll say console.log. Here I'll say SI is equals to plus this simple interest value. That's it. Mathematical thing. Let's run this program and saving this. And I will run now dot slash my new program dot slash. Oh, that program name should be 02, but it's fine. Comment demo.js. See here, it's saying SI is 300 because it has calculated PR into R into T divided by 100. And this value is simple interest is 100. We are able to do it. But let's say I want to put a comment in between this, right? So that my program will be more understandable. So I'll say, this is my program to calculate simple interest. Then you can say this is principal amount, principal, how it is say principal, I don't know. And this is rate of interest, and this is time. So double quote, double slash is, it's a comment that is not going to execute. It is just comment. Rate of interest T is time period, and this is formula. Okay, and this is printing the answer, something like this. You can put it here also. It's up to you. So this is like for your own program, you're putting some comments. Okay, it's like this, but comments will not get executed. Comments are comment in your program. It's like this. Okay. So let's execute it again. See here, it's saying SI is equals to 300, right? Multi-line comment. You can put multi-line comment also, like here, start with slash star and end with star slash. Whatever I will write here is not like meaningful. Hi, it's my comment, okay, in the program. That's it. So this is not going to be execute. Okay, the answer is still SI is equals to 300. So this is multi-line comment. When you put multi-line comment, this is single line comment. Okay. That's it about JavaScript part. I wanted to show you guys how Cypress looks like. Cypress is also very interesting. Some of you asked me that, you know, how to do this Cypress part or not, right? How it looks like. That's why I'm showing you. That's why I am showing you guys. Give me 1 minute. Where it has gone. Just a minute. Okay, let me close something which is open. Closing it. I'll come back here. It's disconnected. Here. Yeah. So how Cypress code looks like? It's very simple. We are going to do it. Once JavaScript is done, this code is basically for a login, right? So this thing we will be learning later on. But how simple it is? It is just 16 line of code, basically 16 to 17 line of code. And this particular thing will open this website. You will see what it is doing. It is going to some user ID, password, putting it, clicking on the login button, and it is checking something. So I will execute this to just show you how it looks like. Okay. So NP system. Give me 1 minute. Let me close this. There is some issue in this terminal. I'll open the terminal again. Okay. NPX some issue. Just a minute. It is because there are a lot of windows open. So it is showing me the error. But I will again open the terminal. Let it get open. Okay. No. So I will run npx Cypress open. So this is one command to open something in Cypress. It is showing me some error, but it's fine. It's warning. So this will look like this. And if you want to work on the particular browser, you will be opening it. We'll learn this thing, all these things later on. I just want to show you a particular test case. So I have created one login test and see here it is executing. So it is executing at the right hand side and it will show you the what is happening here. So it's here, it's putting some user ID and password, clicking on the login button and checking something. It's like this. So it has done something on this particular website. So I'll show you again what it has done is basically there is a website test.techlib.in. Okay, as of now it is showing me some security error, but it's fine. Just a minute. It is showing me some error, but let me open in somewhere else. Let me open it. Test.techlib.in advanced. Some security issue is there, but it's fine. I'll continue to this website. See here. So what in automation we are doing, we are clicking in the login button. We are putting some user ID, let's say, and some wrong password. Once we click on the login, this error message should be displayed. So this is our test case. Let's say this is our manual test case, and we have automated it in the Cypress. That we will learn. We will learn after 1 month, once our JavaScript part is done. I just want to show you that how it looks like. See here, this is a simple test case. We are saying visit this website, click on particular login link, then provide some user ID and password, and then click on the submit button. And then we are checking that error message has this thing. It's like some assertion, some validation is here. Okay, that all things we will learn. But if you see here, the same thing is done here. At the left hand side, it will show you that what are the action you performed on that website for your test cases. And at the right hand side, it will show you. If you want to re-execute it, just refresh it. Here it's running it again. It's running that test case again. Done. So this is how Cypress works. Okay. Tomorrow we'll talk about more about data types, variable, and all. For today, it's done.